Hello students, in this video we will learn how to calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio at the time of retirement and death of partner. One thing to tell you that there's no difference in calculation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio in both cases, whether it is retirement or death, because in both the cases partner is going out of the firm and it will lead to gain for the existing partners. So without wasting any time, I am going to explain you the concept by taking some examples. In first case, where x, y and z are sharing profits in ratio of 5 is to 4 is to 1, what is the gaining ratio if x retires, second case y retires or z retires? When single partner retires without any further terms and conditions, we will just strike out the partner. So we will apply the formula of calculation of gaining ratio is striking out. X, Y and Z are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:4:1. In first case, X retires. When X will retire without mentioning any other terms or conditions or without any mentioning the gaining ratio, then we will strike out this partner. So the ratio will remain between Y and Z will be 4 is to 1. Same as case B. Now Y retires, so we will strike out Y and the ratio between X and Z will be 5 is to 1 and so on. This is we call the striking out the retiring partner. Is it clear? Now in this case, how will you calculate the gaining ratio? We have to calculate gaining ratio by applying the formula new ratio minus old ratio. Clear? Dear students, one thing you must set in mind that if nothing is mentioned about the new ratio or any proportion of gain, then the existing ratio between the continuing partners will be their gaining ratio. For proving this truth, I am taking this example. So, if in this numerical, as per first case, we strike out X from the partnership, new ratio between Y and Z will be 4 is to 1. So, how will you calculate the gain for the Y and Z? Y's gain will be new ratio, that is 4 upon 5, minus old ratio, that is 5 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 upon 10. 8 minus 4 upon 10, it will be 4 upon 10. Z's gain will be 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 10, it will be 2 minus 1 upon 10. So gain will be 1 upon 10. So the gaining ratio will be 4 is to 1. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨਲ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਪਾਰਟਨਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਰਾਈਕ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਤਾ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟਿੰਗ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਸੀ ਸੇਮ ਉਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੇਨਿੰਗ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਵੀ ਨਿਕਲੂਗੀ 4 is to 1. Clear? Now move to next case. When the retiring partner's share entirely taken over by any partner, any other partner or any other continuing partner, in that case we will add the retiring partner's share in the continuing partner who has actually taken over the share. For example, X, Y, Z are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of it's 1/2, 1/4 and 1/4. By taking 4 as LCM, you have to balance this ratio. So it will be 2/4, 1/4 and 1/4. Ratio will be 2:1:1. How will you calculate new profit sharing ratio? So X new share will be his old share plus gain. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਦਾ ਓਲਡ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਿੰਨਾ? ਓਲਡ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਗਿਵਨ ਸੀ 2/4 ਪਲੱਸ 1/4 ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ Z ਕੋਲੋਂ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਣਾ. ਸੋ ਹਿਜ਼ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ 3/4 and there is no change in the Y's share as no sacrifice or gain made by Y. So his share will remain the same, that is 1/4. So new profit sharing ratio will be 3:1. And gaining ratio will be, now X is only the gaining partner, so entire gain is transferred to X. So gaining ratio will be X gain, that is 1/4, Y's gain will be 0/4. Clear? Now move to third case. X, Y and Z are sharing profits in ratio of 5:3:2. Find out the new ratio in the following cases. If X retires and his share is taken over equally by Y and Z. Now if any partner is retiring and his share is proportionately taken over by continuing partners, as mentioned here, equally. In next cases, it is the proportion is to 2:1. Next proportion is 3:2. In these cases, first of all, you have to drive out the gain made by each partner. That you need to calculate as, in the first case, X, Y and Z, their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Now X retires and his share taken over by Y and Z in equal proportion. So ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੇਨਿੰਗ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੋਗੀ? 1:1. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ? ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ Y's gain. It will be 5/10 ਸ਼ੇਅਰ, ਜਿਹੜਾ X ਦਾ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਸੀ ਉਸका 5/10, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਿਸ ਪ੍ਰਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਲਿਆ. ਇਕੁਅਲ ਪ੍ਰਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਆ 1/2 for X, Y and 1/2 for Z. So it will be 5/20 gain for Y. Similarly, Z's gain will also same 5/20. ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਗੇਨ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਸ਼ੇਅਰਿੰਗ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਹੋਣੀ ਆ? Y's new share will be his old share plus his gain. 20 as LCM, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11/20. Z's new share will be 2/10 old share plus 5/20 gain made by him. So it will be 4 plus 5, 9/20. So new ratio will be 11:9. Clear? And their gaining ratio we have calculated here, that is 5:5, or we can say 1:1. That is already given.